Good morning, Laimi, everyone. Mi kam lo morning ya blo no tokpat parabol, no talem drowe mangi. Mi kam lo talem ol real fact. By mi statem tok blo mi olsem se mi wan lol 52 MP. Where only been passem amendment block constitution inside the parliament. Also one responsible leader, the country, me must be consistent. Long side, long vote, long me, molol political decision when me make him. And suppose me accept them, block come debate this morning. And me block me try to convince him. All citizen block one not early eligible block vote long referendum, long vote yes. Also me one MP block that me vote yes inside the parliament. Before me answer him one or two questions block honorable opponent blow me this morning. Me want them carry me come back. Recently, 2023, all real hard fact. 2023, Kolosab Vanuatu. And me broken one bad world record. Long cut 4 MP, 4 Prime Minister, sorry. Lucky no more. President blame me with them wisdom where me come. And me cut. And me stop him blame me got 4 Prime Minister. And me got 3 no more. And me ask him all lead up long all go together, all talk. One are real fact. Lo time blong discussion blong motion of non-confidence. One single MP. And me cross him floor 3 times lo one day. 3 times. So when I'm not propose floor, amendment 17A or 17B, and me can stop him or contain him. Kind situation ya where me spoil him country belong you me. Me want them tell him also say 17A or 17B, I can blow in them or contain them. Political, political instability inside the country, blame me. Something we me face him since 1995. Take him good note. Country blame me and me limited resources. And me no sabe continue to survive, live lo one culture war. He create them political instability. Culture long political instability. One breeding ground, long corruption, general corruption, and particularly political corruption, instability. Culture of political instability, also one kind sickness where me have a good cancer. Slowly, me destroy all institution, and slowly by me affect them. Life. Lo yumi way mi stop club em hanya life lo yumi people blow Vanuatu. So amendment ya way mi make em inside long parliament by me make when them. And mi come blow mi restore em integrity. Long institution important paramount institution blame ya way mi parliament. By me want them restore em. People you know mo ka trust mo lo all lead up all kata. May you me yet people you me contribute lo instability. So section Article 17A, I come, block giving back again confidence long all people, the Republic, long Vanuatu. We want them kill him some vola, talk way mi harem. Article A, mo B, but I mean never stop him normal process, for changing one Prime Minister. You know that? All political parties supposedly no cut confidence lo one prime minister. Only sabe, we excuse you all katali pull out lo arrangement lo coalition. Tayo miyaram sembay create one kind dictatorship. I mean totally wrong. People blow one to all kiaman talk. All slogan. By no banem two fundamental right blow one MP. Also one citizen blow republic blow one to when me on join. All fundamental right blame inside long Article 5 long Constitution. No way. No way. Article 17A mo B kam blo banem ol kata. Oli kat right blo move also mo li them. Only restriction when bali megem. Se time you stop inside long parliament, you no makat way blo cham also you want them. You must be honest with them political party where he elect them you. Immoral. Lo ko campaign. Ko campaign. Andalo one banner blo political party. Andalo platform blo hem. Andalo logo blem. And tomorrow you come, you resist no more free, no more you go against some political party. Emia now is that random instability lo country blame me. Article 7A. Mo 7B kam blo butung one full stop. You meet tight long also small sickness ya. Ika time it. Misawe gomo. Referendum. Referendum emi one. Ista block constitution blame. And ista I think one time no more. Only mention him. Emi article 86. Inokat proper definition. Plus summarize them. Referendum. Emi blo people. From people na emi ditenem when emi imitalem sovereignty. Olgatan na li paramount lagi everyone. Constitution imitalem se tayo imitacem three particular area. Language, parliamentary system, electoral system. You must come back. Parliament ya province must come back current blessing. From olgatan na li paramount. Whenever you make 17A mo 17B, imitacem lelebet parliamentary system blame me. That's the way we must come back. People from a paramount, him na sovereign, ploy me giving blessing to him. And people, it's time now ya. Plus stop him instability, you must give him blessing to you, ploy me no makat mo cham cham. Thank you too much.